issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, central St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Vicksburg to near Three Rivers, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Centreville around 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Jones, Nattawa, Mora Park, Corey Lake, Howardsville, Flowerfield, Wassepi, Clear Lake, Mendon, and Fishers Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Michigan.